Hey guys, what's up? So Thursday in the top best short tweets, 5, 11, 12, 13 to 14. The first tweak is called Shuffle, and basically with this tweak, it's a preference app that organizes your settings into easier to navigate sections. You have tweak section for all your tweak settings, system app section for all your settings related to stock apps, app store app section for all the settings related to third-party apps. So you have useful options for managing tweets like copying a tweak list, browse and install packages, hiding tweak preferences, disabling tweak DYLBS, compile with iCleaner DYLIB Manager, viewing tweak info depictions, and uninstalling tweets. The next tweak is called Peep by Connor the Dev, and hide and show your status bar with one tap. Next tweak is called Circuit for YouTube. That just got updated, and it's basically a YouTube plus alternative. So what it does, it not only gives you the features that are missing from YouTube, but also gives you full control over the apps. You have all these features right here. So you download, import videos, download the music, save videos to 4K resolution, save the videos as audio only, enable background playback. You can probably get rid of the ads, and you can do so much using this. You use YouTube as a picture-in-picture, so you can just go on your device, just like you see right here. Do what you want, respond to a message, look up read the news, and while you have actually a video playing at the same exact time. So yeah, pretty cool. This is called Call Log Pro, iOS 14.2.8. So here it is, Call Log Pro, iOS 14.2.8. So it's just actually added iOS 14 support. So it's basically #1 call manager for your iPhone's call history. So it lists your calls for specific date, unlimited calls, organized calls, all dialed, received and missed, call search. So it's basically your one tweak, for your calls. You have these features right here. And some screenshots. So I think it's really cool. You go literally to the date, whatever date you want, it tells you who called you, what missed calls you have for that date, and everything. The next tweak is called Juice, and it's unparalleled battery customization. Next tweak is called Better Settings. Settings your way, complete customization of the settings app. Allows settings, custom colors, cell shape, background image, text color, and more. Next tweak is called Folder Artwork, and also mobile subject tweak. So basically change the background color of the folder so you can put in a new image. This is called Assistant Plus. It allows anyone to personalize and enhance Siri by creating custom responses. This is called Sutu or Soto Plus. This is called Anime My Badges Pro, and basically includes more than 8 advanced and innovative animations to spice up your bland home screen. So it allows you to customize your apps every aspect. You can tune in your settings to your preferences. This is called Glacier, and it gives the iOS 11 control center a transparent UI. This is called Armor 2, and basically it gives you the ability to change the lock, unlock animation, except separate animations, which means you can use it, one animation to animate the unlock event, and another animation to animate the lock event. It tells you right here if you're compatible or not, and it does cost $1.49. And the last tweak is called Volume Step 13.14, so it's compatible with iOS 13 and 14. So basically what this tweak does, it allows you to customize the volume up and down steps. Just configure options from settings. So pretty cool. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.